Hey guys, thanks for watching this video about our Botanical Blend soil. This is the perfect all-round soil to use in your domestic garden at home. What's it made of? Well, this soil is made up of a couple of different types of sand. We've got a black sand in there and a white sand, which give it really good drainage. It's got organic compost that we've made from recycled green waste, as well as a cow manure. All those things combined to make a really good soil that you can use in the garden bed, in the veggie garden. I've got it in my veggie garden at home. I put some seeds in and watered it. Basically didn't do much at all, and the seeds have sprouted really well, and that's in the month of October in Melbourne. We don't really recommend that you use this under instant turf. For that, watch our video about watch our video about our turf loam, and that'll tell you more about why you should use our turf loam instead of the Botanical Blend for underneath your instant lawn. You can get it delivered to your house, obviously, in a 1 metre, or we'll even do a half metre load if you really need it. 1 metre up to 10 metres we'll deliver to your home in a truck. So look, give us a call on 9331 5300. Hit us up on thegreencentre.com.au and we'll be happy to take your order and help you out. See you soon. Thanks for watching.